Hello everyone, today we have a 3412 industrial engine. After we make a minor repairing, we are going to fabricate signal for starting signal, shutoff solenoid, charging signal, gauge, engine oil pressure gauge, alternator charging indicator, lighting, stop signal, start signal, and we are going to check function of turbocharger, fuel pump, and we are going to check nozzle. At this point we need to make sure there is alignment between alternator. We need to make sure the alternator in alignment, so make sure the belt in alignment. Otherwise, if you do not make sure it is in alignment, going to get overheat belt. And now for the oil gauge. And when you choose to use mechanical gauge or analog gauge like this, this gauge working by pressure, direct pressure from the engine, from the cylinder block. You need to align the same pressure to the gauge. Sure, you're not going to waste any wire or over ordering or ordering less than you want. You need to make a plan for sizing wire. It's better to order more than what you need, like this earthing cable. Order about 1 meter or 80 centimeter. Oops, we crank engine for 30 seconds, and we get a small oil leakage from the filter base. So we need to check washer, or maybe you need to tighten more the base bolts. Let us start the engine again. I will try to make record.